This dance is called Daisy Duke. It's a 64 count, 2-all, improve a level line dance with 1 tag and 4 restarts. So we're starting on our right foot into some heel switches. So you touch your right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, heel switch again, touch the right forward, right beside left. That set of steps once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and. You're now going to repeat that set of steps with the left foot leading. So the left heel goes forward, left beside right, right heel forward, right beside left. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, left heel forward, left beside right. So that last set of steps then, heel switches off on the left. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and. Add those 2 sets together. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and. Go back on a back lock step, right foot leading, back, lock, back, hold. You're now going to make a full triple turn on the spot over your left shoulder, 3 counts. Left, right, left, hold. Now it is the equivalent of a full turn, so if you don't want to do that full turn, just do a left coaster step. It might be single count timing, but the music's got a little bit of a pace to it, so it will feel fairly quick. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the dance and the walkthrough. I'll be doing the non-turning coaster step option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So that set of steps once more then, back, lock, back off on the right. 7, 8, back, lock, back, hold, full triple turn, hold. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, hold, full triple turn, hold. Go forward on a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right, cross the left over the right, scuff the right to the side. That set of steps once more then, step, lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, scuff. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, hold, full, triple turn, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, scuff. We're now going into a vine to the right, hence scuffing the right to the right side because you're going in that direction anyway. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Add on some points. So we're going to point the left to the side, touch beside the right, point the left out, touch beside the right. Point out, in, out, in. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right. Right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, in. Vine to the left with a quarter turn. So we step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, make a quarter turn left as we step that left forward, touch the right beside the left. Into some hip bumps. So you're going to actually step your right slightly forward as you bump forward, back, 4 hip bumps. So that set of steps once more then, vine quarter turn off on the left. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, touch, bump, forward, back, Add that to our halfway point, vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, bump, forward, back. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on the right, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, rocking back on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Add that to our halfway point, vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, bump, forward, back, back, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Into a 3/4 turn. So you're going to turn a quarter left as you step back on that right, a further half a turn left as you step forward on the left. And scooting back a bit because I need a little bit of room. Small step forward on the right, small step forward on the left. Skates 4 times. So we skate right, left, right, left. So that set of steps once more then. 3/4 turn. Quarter, half, off on the right. 7, 8, turn, turn, step, step, skate, 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 skate. Now it is a 3/4 turn. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do, instead of turning right, left, turn right, quarter turn, as you step the right forward, step the left forward, small steps, right, left, and into your skates. Non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out. So that's the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's add that onto our halfway position. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, bump, forward, back, back, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, turn, turn, step, step, skate, 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 skate. So that's your 2 halves. Let's put them together. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, hold, full, triple turn, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, scuff, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, but forward, back, back, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, turn, turn, step, step, skate, 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 skate. So that is your dance. Not an and count in sight, single count timing all the way through. Which therefore means the music's got a little bit of a beat to it. Now it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, full triple turn, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, scuff, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, back, forward, back, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, turn, step, skate, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, full triple turn, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, scuff, side, behind, side, touch, point out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, point, forward, back, rock, step, pivot, cross, turn, step, skate. So that's your dance. Now there are 4 restarts and 1 tag in this dance. Your restarts come on walls 2, 4 and 6. Your tag comes on wall 9. So on walls 2 and 6, your restart is in the same place. It is after 48 counts. You will basically have just done your hip bumps and you will restart the dance. Walls 2 and 6 are our 6 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to 48 counts and restart the dance. Heel switch is off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, full triple turn, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, scuff, side, behind, side, touch, back, out, in, side, behind, turn, touch, back, forward, back, restart, heel and side rock, heel and. So that's your restart point, walls 2 and 6. Wall 4, you restart after 24 counts. 24 counts takes you to the end of the full triple turn hold section and you restart. Wall 4 is our 12 o'clock wall. This take you up to 24 counts and restart the dance. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, full triple turn, restart, heel and side rock, heel and. So that's wall 4, 24 counts. After the full triple turn, you restart. Now your tag comes on wall 9. Wall 9 is also your 6 o'clock wall after 28 counts. So you've done your full triple turn, you go forward on your step, lock, step, scuff. After you've done that scuff, you go into your tag. So your tag, quite simply, is you step left to the side, step right to the side, bend your left knee in, bend your right knee in. So they are knee pops. So side, side, and 2 knee pops. So let's take you up to 28 counts, add on the tag, and restart the dance. 6 o'clock wall, heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and side rock, heel and side rock, heel and back, lock, back, full triple turn, step, lock, step, scuff, tag, out, knee, heel and side rock, heel and. So that is your tag. Wall 9 after 28 counts. Now when you get to wall 11, it is your final wall. The music will slow down towards the end of the dance. So all you need to do, just slow yourself down in time with the music to actually end it. So that's it. Restarts, walls 2 and 6 after 48 counts. Wall 4 after 24 counts. You tag, out, knee pops, times 2. Wall 9 after 28 counts and restart the dance. So that's your dance, that's your walkthrough. It's your restart and tag information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel up, side rock, heel up, side rock, heel up. Back up, back, for a triple turn. Step up, step heel across. Side behind, side touch, out in, side behind, step, bump, back up, step cross. Turn, skate. Heels, it's your restart wall. Heel and, side rock, heel and, back up, back. Triple turn, step in across, side behind, side touch, out in, side behind, hip punch, restart, heels.
Hallelujah, baby news, I salute you. You got
back, triple turn, step in across, side behind, side touch, out in, side behind, turn, hip bumps, back, step in across, turn, skate, heels, restart wall, back, full triple turn, restart, heels, back up, step up, line, back rock, turn, heels, restart wall,
when I saw you,
back low,
we could dodge you, oh yeah.
bind,
Wanna treat my darling to pretend you're mine.
restart, heels,
Hallelujah, Daisy Dukes, I salute you. You got a whole lot of loving to give. Daisy Dukes, Gucci Gooey, Daisy Dukes, what's a you, yeah? With your jeans cut high, you sure to find me. Good. All right, good. Got your feeling now, yeah. Oh, now.
tag wall,
Give it up, ups and daisy do. Winning in the winners on a blackboard too. Give me your answer, dude.
out, knee, heels,
Hallelujah, Daisy Dukes, I salute you. You got a whole lot of loving to give. Daisy Dukes, Gucci Gooey, Daisy Dukes, what's a you, yeah? With your jeans cut high, you sure to find me. Ha. With your jeans cut high, you sure to find me. With your jeans cut high, you sure to find me.
slow it down, I hope you managed that one.